Welcome to my vlog mga lods. Please support my channel GR Vlog. Pa-subscribe mga lods sa mga makapanood sa akin. Live tayo. Merienda. Tubig. Mani. Mansanas.
Doon na kayo. Bumili ka ng yelo, hindi mo man lang. Hindi ka bumili ng paminta na buo.
Yung durog.
Wala na.
Naubos na.
Itaas mo yung siko mo. Puro na nandoon na yung mga wala na sa tamang kulog yun. Yung durog, wala naman durog. Dapat siyang crack, ano lang. Crack lang na paminta. Wala naman. May sili tayo dito.
Sili, lagyan mo na lang. Para magkalasa.
Kailangan pa rin ng paminta kasi nilaga.
Hindi na importante yun. Hindi naman yung panghanda. Wala naman pupula sa'yo dyan.
Di sana hindi mo na lang tinimplahan.
Hindi. Kung sabihin ni pagkayan naluto, walang magsasabi sa'yo, ay, pangit ang lasa, walang paminta.
Meron talaga.
Walang maggaganon sa'yo eh.
Ay, ganon.
Walang kukontra.
Ikaw.
Hindi. Siyempre, mahal kitang asawa, di, ba't ako magkokontra? Di siyempre kung ano na riyan, di pagpasensyahan. Ang mag-asawa ay nagmamahalan, hindi magkontrahan.
Ba't hindi mo pa ito yung lugasan?
Nugasan ko na yan. Dumaan na yan sa tubig.
Ako na naman ah. Ba't hindi basa kung dumaan sa tubig?
Ay, ginanon ko.
Wala akong tiwala talaga sa iyo. Hindi basa tapos ginanon ko.
Ginamitan ko na sa laan eh.
Look oh. Hindi nga basa eh. To be sure.
Ginanon ko.
Halata yan, honey, kapag kabiyak, ano.
Hindi ka bilog sa akin eh. Sinasala ko yun.
Tingnan mo, di ba basa ang gulay? Pag nilabasan mo. Buti-buti mo. Nandito kayo.
Ako tagal na nagluto sa upi. Kaya hindi na kumatik sa paghuhugas. Nag-dishwasher ako doon.
Dishwasher kaya hindi pa po.
Hindi naman ako cook. Si bayaw na ano, Jun, ang matagal nagluto doon.
Asan na? Okay. 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 Sa. Asan? Nilaga yan. Pwede ka mag-ano dyan. Prito ng daing. Yan ang partner dyan.
Ayoko. Ayoko magdaing pagka ganyan. Gusto ko yung solo lang. Daing lang talaga. Lagyan ko ng kamatis. Yun
Ang
ang,
arte mo, bakit pa tayo naglaga?
alam mo, sinasabi mo yung daing. Ang gusto ko sa daing, piniprito lang yan at lagyan ng kamatis, okay na sa akin yun. Ganun ang mga pagkain ng mga mahirap.
Ay, tumatain na rin ang ano, ang aso.
Pero yung sabihin mo, may nilaga kang baboy, paresa ng daing, naku, hindi na kailangan ng daing-daing dyan.
Kalahati. Hinati-hati ko yung pata na yan eh. Ang kalahati, sinigang na natin nung nakaraan, di ba? Ay nilaga. Puro laman-laman yun. Kasi yung pata malapad, hinati ko. Yan naman, puro buto-buto. Ike. Huwag ka nang masanay ng malinis dyan.
Perhaps ours for the taking. That much money we can enjoy this humiliation.
Yang binili mong manok, abutin kaya ng December yan? Ha?
Okay, I get
Hindi.
it. You're talking about the time you drugged
Ngayon lang yan, July.
I did not raise a whore! Camila, Gary, I'm so sorry. It won't happen again. Please, let's continue it.
Dad, we need to stay close to the Windsors. This is our...
You're the one who's cheating!
Is that right? Ryan, you mind grabbing Gary's phone for me? It'll just be a second. Since we're putting everything on blast, the guests here might want to see what my fiance did with my half sister the day before our wedding. I'm marrying my sister tomorrow, but I'm going to my sister tonight.
Oh, don't worry. Once I'm married, I'll still feel around. I'll take up those pennies. What the hell is this?
Gary, you recorded us?
Don't worry, it's just his dash cam. Sorry, go on. You were saying how you never cheated?
That doesn't change the fact that you slept with...
The fact that you, my dear sister, drugged me so I could be gang raped. Ryan to my rescue. That's all. This family is insane. If I let her, I'd get out while she still can.
Ano
I brought a lawyer and a will for the
Ano
Sabihin mo na. Hindi naman
Hindi ka
tayo,
nga sumasagot eh.
hindi naman tayo mga bingi.
Ms. Wright inherits the entire estate.
Nagsasalita ko na walang kausap.
Ang pag may kausap ka, honey, may sasabihin ako sa iyo. O ganun, para pumasok agad sa utak ko yun.
Honey, may sasabihin ako sa'yo, magsando ka ng kain na tayong dalawa. Ayun.
Mamaya na.
Kumain ba ako ng tanghalian?
Oo, saging.
Touch her again.
Saging.
Pag ako nainis, akit ako sa taas, matutulog na ako.
Sabi mo, saging lang ka.
Hindi ka lang.
O di ka kain ka. Walang problema. Kain na tayo.
Matutulog na talaga ako.
Kakain na nga muna.
Maghain ka na nga.
Kill yourself if you want.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Alex Windsor.
Finally.
Wanna watch more? Download.
Okay na. tubig.
Ano, sino kasabay ko kumain?
Kaya.
Ano lang?
Kanya.
Sarawan lang.
Ano tayo mga lods?
Ike.
Get her! Idiot! Stop right there! The CEO personally ordered me to attend Gavin's promotion banquet. This is the perfect chance to impress her. I have to make the most of it.
President Max, what brings you here?
Long time no see, Kai. I'm here to welcome the CEO. The assistant said she already arrived. What? You still haven't seen her?
What? She's already here.
It's all because of that bitch causing trouble. We were too busy dealing with her filthy dog to greet the CEO in time. Someone dares cause trouble at an event this important? Let me see who's got the nerve. That's the troublemaker? President Max, what's wrong?
He's your backing in the company?
Take your filthy hand away! You think you can point at President Max too? Your disgusting dog nearly triggered his heart condition. Men, break their legs and make them kneel before President Max. Shut your damn mouth. Do you have any idea who she is? You blind idiot. Do you even know who's standing in front of you?
Kaya
It's
ako
my
na
failure.
susawan.
I couldn't stop this
Akin na
crazy
yung
woman.
yung ano dyan? Magisabol.
Blind fool! The craziest person here is you. Do you know that with just one word from her, she could make sure you never survive in this city again?
President Max, are you mistaken? How could a lowlife her possibly have that kind of power?
You don't know how ridiculous she is. She was just shouting about giving gifts to a bunch of cleaners.
Exactly! Don't let this lunatic fool you, President Max. She tricked a bunch of lowlights into standing up for her and promised them rewards. But until now, not even a shadow of those gifts has appeared. The gifts have arrived.
Ike.
Impossible! Don't tell me this crazy woman really prepared prepared gifts for a bunch of garbage collectors?
No way. I know exactly how much money she has. She used to kneel and grade it just for a piece of bread. You think she can afford all this? If you me, those boxes are probably filled with trash. You idiot! Do you even know the identity of the person you're insulting? President Max, what identity could possibly have? Once she opens those gifts, you'll see she's just like whatever's inside those boxes. Complete trash. I'll say this one last time! If you don't want to die, shut your mouths right now!
I always repay kindness and revenge in equal measure. Since he refuses to believe me, then today I'll repay kindness first, and revenge after.
Such arrogance. Fine then, let's all watch carefully and see exactly how you plan to repay kindness and revenge.
You all stood up for a helpless stray dog without hesitation. I'll never forget that kindness. So now, on Sadie's behalf,